Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 22nd of December 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Uzbekistan's Minister of Energy highlighted a qualitative shift in the nature of collaboration with Japanese companies. He noted that they are moving from equipment supply toward direct investment in the country's energy sector. While Japanese firms previously primarily acted as suppliers of technological equipment and contractors, today, they are actively participating in projects through direct investments. This is because of Uzbekistan's ongoing reforms, established legal framework, and stable conditions for investors. Inox Clean Energy has agreed to acquire Macquarie's Vibrant Energy, an Indian renewable independent power producer with a 1.3 gigawatt portfolio. Of its total portfolio, around 800 megawatts of capacity is currently in operation. The plants are backed by long-term power purchase agreements with global blue-chip commercial and industrial customers. Inox Clean is pursuing a goal to reach 10 gigawatts of operational power generation capacity by 2028. They also hope to achieve 11 gigawatts of solar module and 8 gigawatts worth of solar cell production capacity as well. Spain needs to install more than 4.5 gigawatts of onshore wind power every year until 2030 to meet the targets set out in the National Energy and Climate Plan. Only 1,186 megawatts were installed in 2024, barely a quarter of what is required. The industry warns that, at the current pace, the target will be unattainable without urgent reforms. Spain currently has 31.7 gigawatts of installed wind capacity. Wind power accounted for 23.9% of electricity generation in 2024. Turkey's installed electricity capacity reached 121.8 gigawatts in November. The share of renewable energy in installed capacity continued to rise as well, accounting for 62% of the total installed electricity capacity. The share of solar power alone in Turkey's installed electricity capacity has exceeded the 20% mark for the first time. The share of wind power has also risen to 11.9%. The U.S. administration suspended leases on Monday for 5 large offshore wind projects that are under construction off the U.S. East Coast. The suspension was the latest blow for offshore wind developers that have faced repeated disruptions to their multi-billion-dollar projects. Earlier in the year, the administration lifted a stop work order on Equinor's Empire Wind in a compromise with New York State that paved the way for a natural gas pipeline Trump support. Now that the government is reneging on that agreement, Equinor has ample cause to defy the order, and New York does not have to comply with the agreement to build the pipeline. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.